Okay, so today I'm going to be making pineapple Dole Whip, and this I believe we got it from Disney World first. So we got the idea from Disney World, but we make it a little bit differently, and I've seen a few recipes on the internet that's made more like the Disney version of it, and so we kind of made our own version. We like to have more ice cream in ours than the Disney version does, so let's go ahead and get right on to the video, and let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is get our Ninja bullet maker. That's what we're gonna put ours in, but you can use a blender. And we're gonna add 3 big scoops of vanilla ice cream to the Ninja. I'm using the Bluebell kind, but the best kind that we've made with it is the homemade ice cream that we make. If you want yours with more pineapple-y, less ice cream, then do more pineapples and less ice cream and play around with it, but we like it with a lot more ice cream than pineapple. Okay, so now we are going to add 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, and obviously this is the Dole kind. And now I'm gonna add about 1 cup of frozen crushed pineapple. And I'm just going to put the top on and go ahead and blend this up in the blender. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this up. So I ended up adding another 1/4 cup of pineapple juice just because it was too thick for it. So
yeah, we like ours a little thinner.
Yes, a little bit thinner, not as thin as a milkshake, but more like a soft ice cream. So now I'm going to serve it. And this is the end result, and it's ready to drink.
Or straw.
Mmm.
Go get a straw.
It is so good.
Oh, all right.
It is so yummy. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.